Hello all, this is a continuation of the previous video only. That is, we are just making a series for Python beginners. So previously we have made some videos for variables, then loops, then what are the operators and all. So you can just follow that series. Following this series, we have made loops. Loops is the thing which is made in the previous video. We are just making some continuation of that only. In this video, you can see that what we are using break and continue. So what is the action which will be taken while using this break and continue is discussed by in this video. So for previously we just see what is for loops and for loop within list, then while loop, then nested loop. Nested loop is a loop in which a while loop will be there, and within the while loop there will be a for loop, so both loops will get executed. So this is the nested loop. Now we are going to see what is breaks and continue in loops. For that we are making a for loop only. So using break we can exit the loop earlier. So here if you see means 1 comma 6. So in this case you may know, for within a for loop if we are having 1 comma 6 means we have to get nearly 5 results, like, but here we are getting only 4. Since why? Because we are using the break function. In that we are using an if condition. Within the for loop we are making an if condition. So in that case, if I is equal to 4 means it will print breaking at 3, and it has to break with this condition. When I is equal to 4, it has to break. So in that case we are getting only 3 outputs and it is breaking at 3. So we can just give as 3. In that case, if we will get only 2, because within a for loop if you are giving 1 comma 5 means it will be running for 4 only. So likewise, since we have given 3, it will be running for only 2 loops, and at that time after getting this completion of the second loop, the loop will exit, since we have given the break operation. Likewise, continue means it will not one loop will only not work, other will work. That is, it will skip. That is, using continue we have to skip an operation. If you see means previously also we have using the same conditions only, but here we are calling the break statement, but here we are calling the continue statement. Break statement, it will break the complete loop and it will not work further, that it will exit. But continue means if 3 means that 3 loop will not only work, after that 4 and 5 will work. So if you are giving here 4 means here the output will be 1 2 3 5. So we can just see. So this is the output. So this is the difference between loops. In the next video we will just see some other general Python codes and description regarding it. Thank you.